fail. Get back.
Yeah, this shit goes bang.
This shit goes bang big. Like back here big.
Holy fuck, filming that.
Get ready to stomp it out.
Oh shit!
Fuck, I told you.
Oh dude, that was
Look at the crater.
Oh fuck
That was quick, Yarden's one took ages. Alright, shall we nail it?
Dude, there's more over here.
I've done videos of fuck there. I'm further away than that.
It sounded like a rifle going on.
Oh no. Oh shit, there's one in the tree.
Huh?
Check the shit out. There's one in the tree.
Move, move.
That just knocks it down to the dead bro.
Yeah, get all of this shit,
That
man.
was epic.
They went off way quicker than the last one.
Yeah, fuck. Luke had time to sit down and everything. It's not gonna blow.
Alright, stomp this shit out.
No, it's all good. It won't light. We'll just stay for another few minutes and make sure it all.
Yeah, for someone to come get us.
Who are you calling? Like fucking FBI or something.
Oh, my ex-school.
Oh.